a different time, before cell phones, tablets and pads, and CB radios was all they had. Your CB handle was your name, folks on one channel all talking the same. The social network was at your house, and all you wanted was to kill a mouse. And on the country dirt road, he was the white tornado, the white tornado. They called him the white tornado. What's his CB handle, y'all? When you live on a farm, you see the real dirt devil takes dirt from the ground and spins it up level. You can't never see him, but you know that he's there by that cloud of dirt twisting through the air. Well, the devil met his match when he seen the man who could spin the dirt like no devil can. Under the wheels of his old white Ford, the white tornado and the good Lord on the country dirt road. He was the white tornado, the white tornado. They called him the white tornado. My mama loved him. I'd wait for my dad. When he came home, I was always glad. His truck made a big rumbling sound. Before you could hear it, you could feel it in the ground. Well, you couldn't quite see him, but you knew he was there in that funnel cloud of dirt spinning through the air. And splitting the dirt was his old white Ford. Daddy's home again, thank the good Lord, and on the country dirt road. Was the white tornado. They called him the white tornado. My daddy was the white tornado.